don't hate us for cutting the trees because we had to. It was dangerous on the main building. As you see, one of the big trees, like it's ruining the chimney and the roof. The other one is leaning towards the building. So in the future, maybe it will fall. Like as you can see, like on the roof, there's like remain of a tree that fell down from the front, and we cannot take a risk and keep it there. So we had to cut what we need to cut, and the rest we need to clean and clear the area. So we cut a lot of small things, bad things. We kept the cork, which is we cannot cut it in Portugal. We have maybe around 3-4 corks in the land. They are still small corks, but they are beautiful. So we kept it. We'll give you like a small information about these schools. These schools was ordered by Antonio Salazar. Let me make sure about it. Yes, Antonio de Oliveira Salazar. His dictatorship was from 1933 until 1974. I think all the information are from Google. I don't have official documents. He ordered to build maybe around 7,000 schools around Portugal, and it was like split from Lisbon to Porto to the north. They have different design and different architecture, and from Lisbon to the south, maybe to Algarve, they have same model like the one we have. So when the land was clear, start seeing really the school, how it is, the building, first time, without trees, without anything. And it was first time we go up to the roof. There was a lot of small insects living there, bees, lot of things. So we want to clear the roof from the old bricks, tiles, and the wood was broken, as you can see. So it was really, it took us maybe like 1 week. Every day we go there. It was really hot, so we go there early until 11. We work under the sun. So we start arranging the tiles on the side in our mind that we will use it again. But after that, we discovered that it's not good to mix it with the new one, especially the new one. They have different technology in it, like the way they bake it. It's different from the old tiles. And the old tiles, this one, we put it on the side. Maybe there's fractures in it. You cannot see it. Water will go in. So maybe we can use it for like pergola or something outside, which you don't care if the water will go in or not. So we decided to get rid of it, give it to someone. and buy new tiles for the roof. We need to start working. No time for relax.
Oh, I'm tired.
You're tired? It just went up. The tree is here. What the fucking tree is doing here?
Don't say fuck.
Ah, sorry. The tooth is doing here.